Building a supermarket in place of an old house is not an easy task. These vehicles are here to help you. Let's build a supermarket like this together. Hello, welcome to the supermarket. Assemble a mulcher. The mulcher is needed to shred branches and dry trees. Well done. You are doing really great. Well done. Use the objects from the sidebar to fuel and service the vehicles. You are doing really great. Well done. The vehicle is ready to go. Help the vehicle reach the construction site. Tap the play button to launch the The mulcher grind trees and trash on site.